doing today, everybody in New York?
Sure. What?
What?
So what are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
I'm
This
here.
is a live studio. We're on TV, national
What?
TV.
TV.
Yes.
You mean I'm on television?
Yes, national TV.
You mean?
Millions
You
of
mean-
people are watching right now.
Awesome!
Hey,
Oh my gosh!
You in the garage, you're gonna have to move. Yeah, because this is not your show. I'm the host. You can't do this. You have to leave right now.
Why?
Because you're not on the show.
But I want to be on the show. I'm on TV.
Yeah, you might be in some of the clips that we're running today, but I don't
I'm
know.
on TV.
Yes, I know you're on TV.
Dude!
It's a great sensation, but you're
I'm
gonna
on TV.
Yes, I know.
Oh my
TV.
God.
I'm glad you're happy. I'm glad we might be able to fit you in somewhere at the end.
I'm on TV.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
We're gonna need
Yeah.
security.
Well, that wasn't the weirdest openings I've had before, but moving on. Hello, I'm Kurt Johnson, and welcome to 25 Consequences. Last week was the 25 Consequences of telling bad jokes. And, oh, how's that?
I'm on TV, baby.
Back. You can, right. Okay. I was at, last week on 25 Consequences was the 25 Consequences of telling bad jokes. Didn't end well for most people. But this week, we have a special edition, which is the 25 Consequences of Sneezing. Joey, roll the tape. And then, you know, it was the weirdest thing. I saw this guy, and he was running. Dude, that movie was achoo! Oh. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
So then the bartender says to the guy, "It's not a cat, that's my wife."
Okay, that was better. That really was. You're improving. Wait. Why do I have your hat?
Hey!
I don't know either, dude. Really? Why? This doesn't even suit me. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Okay.
I've had the weirdest day, okay? I mean, seriously, it all started with a sneeze. Achoo! Really? Oh. Well, bless you. It's a nice thing to say, but what are you doing? Oh, God, no! No, not the groin! Not the groin! Oh! Oh! No! Please, no! Oh! Is it safe now? Yeah. Nice undershirt? Really? I don't know what. Really? Come on. Oh! Was. Back! Shirt back. It was sweaty anyway. So did you catch last week's episode of 25 Consequences?
Yes, I did. The one with the Pope.
The jokes?
Yeah.
The jokes, yeah.
That one was, was a pretty good joke, but he just butchered the delivery. It's actually about the Pope on a plane talking to one of the passengers next to him while they're on a flight to Cairo. And
Whoa, dude! Dude, doesn't that hurt?
it's just a flesh wound.
Your arm's off! Whoa, no! You can't do that. That's illegal. That's copyright. That's someone else did. As long as someone can't use it, it's not. You can't. I don't care. You can't do it. You can't. Shut up.
Just words.
Shut up. I don't care.
You're an
can't use
idiot.
it.
You're an idiot. It's just
Why are you
words.
on? I don't even want to know.
It's
You can't use it.
words.
Just don't do it again, and I won't come back. I promise. What, dude?
Whoa, your arm's off.
Oh no! You can't use it still. Even though my arms are off, and I can't say it. Folks, I thought that was hilarious. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did too. But this next clip I think you'll also like. It's got a very different twist. Hold on. What? No. What? Really? Wow. Everyone? Everywhere? Even China? This is, oh my gosh, there's a national emergency. Wait, you're going out? Okay, I'm gonna want some hot wings, a large Coke, and maybe some Mexi fries. I think I'm good. All right, so 15 minutes. You here? All right. This just in, people. Everyone is losing their arms from sneezing. Everyone. Oh my God, your arms are off.
Help me!
God, yeah. Does that even hurt?
Liberating.
Does that
Fine,
hurt?
no,
God,
I
just,
know.
I don't know how to help you. These
Guys,
are my
we have to go
arms.
right now.
What?
This is terrible. We have to go.
What? Because the arm things,
Everyone's
right?
losing their arms.
It's contagious.
It's a global
It's
threat.
global?
Global
God, this
catastrophe.
is, oh no,
Contagious.
God.
Anyone who sneezes is
Yeah.
losing their arms.
We gotta go to a
We gotta
hospital.
go,
Get out, go. I'm the only one that can drive. Hold on. No. Join us next week, folks, if you can. Join us next week for the 25 consequences of texting while doing physical activities. I think it should be fun. I'm Kurt Johnson, your host with 25 consequences. This is the global threat. We gotta get out of here. I'm the only one that can drive. We gotta go.